Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's recipe, I'm gonna make chicken sandwich. I just seasoned the chicken breast with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. After 5 minutes, we're gonna turn it over. We will cook it for another 5 minutes. I'm gonna grill some onion because I don't like the fresh onion, guys. It's so strong. So this is how I do it. I grill it for a little bit. Let's turn it over and then I'm gonna cook the onion for about a minute. That would be perfect. Alright, so this is it, guys. The chicken breast is done. So I'm gonna take this out and let's transfer it to the plate. That's it, and then let's take out the onion. Alright, so I have 2 loaves of bread. I'm gonna put a good amount of mayonnaise, guys, and then spread it evenly. Both sides. You can add whatever you want though. So let's spread it evenly. It's perfect. And then the other side. If you want to add some mustard or ketchup, it's gonna be delicious. I cut the chicken breast into half, guys, because it was really big. And then let's put the onion and some tomatoes and then lettuce. I don't have cheese, guys, so this is it. And then I'm gonna cut it into half so we can bite it easily. Just press it down so it won't make a mess. So here it is, guys. I'm gonna transfer it to the plate. There you go, and here it is. Our chicken sandwich is done. Look at that, guys. Very juicy and delicious. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this recipe. It is very simple yet very delicious. Bye for now. Thank you for watching.